Hi there! Today we are going to make a dog. Well, this sounds very exciting. Let's see what do we have in our book. We see an amazing dog right here. Let's see the 4 steps and start making our dog. At first, we are going to make its skeleton, for which we will make an oval. After that, let's start making the body and the back portion of the dog. You can use a circle for that and then make 4 lines for the legs. After that, let's make a curve on top for the entire tail. That's brilliant. We are now going to make the ears. And then start by making its eyes. Make a very light drawing so that just in case if you make a mistake, it is easier for you to erase it. Once we are done with that, let's start making its legs. The front and the back legs. We are seeing them overlap each other. Let's make its furry tail. Looks cute, isn't it? After that, let's erase all of these rough parts and start making the dog fair. Yes, we can now start drawing this a little darker so that we know the difference between what is fair and what is rough. Start by making this patch now. Make a beautiful wavy line for this one. And now comes the time when we start sketching this. Let's try and sketch this together. We will go very slow while sketching and make sure that we go right on top of the pencil marks. Go slow and sketch the entire drawing in a similar way. Let's complete this together. Continue making the tail from the design itself. And then make the ears and the eyes of the dog. And look at that! Our dog is ready to be colored. Let's take our eraser and erase all the pencil marks we see. And after that, start coloring this. We will take a darker color at first, which is a dark ochre color. Let's take that and do all the parts which are dark in color. Yes, this is where the shadow is formed and hence we see these areas to be a little darker as compared to the other parts. Color this slowly and nicely. This looks very interesting. Continue coloring all the parts which are dark. That is lovely. Once we are done with that, let's take another color and start doing the entire body. This looks like a light yellow or pale yellow to us. Let's take this color and blend it with our ochre color. This looks interesting. Continue coloring the tail and the rest of the body parts of our dog. We will go very slow while coloring and try and blend it with our ochre color. Once we are done with that, let's take a very dark brown color and start doing this patch. Let's go very slow while doing it and make sure that you always start with an outline first. Once we are done with the outline, we will start coloring inside. It is completely alright if you do not have the same shade mentioned in the book. You can take the shade which is closest to it. That's beautiful. Continue coloring the ears as well. And then the nose. Finally, we will take pink color and color the tongue and the inner part of the ears. And look at that, our dog is ready.